Whoa, guys, I just got 100,000 views and 500 likes on this video. Let me show you exactly how I created a video like this and gave it the initial boost that it needed to hit the trends. Watch till the end because this service can actually help you get viral on almost any social media platform, and to be honest, really fast. First, let's go ahead and create a video just like this. It's actually easier than you might think. All you need is your phone and a little bit of AI magic. Start by going ahead and taking a photo of yourself, or if you're doing a video transition, grab a screenshot from the last frame of your clip. Jump over to pika.art and click the sparkle pen icon down the bottom to check the preset animation options like explode or melt it or even decapitate it. Want something a little more unique? Well, you can type in your own prompt to generate a custom animation, click generate, and hang tight to see what the program comes up with. Once your animation is ready, go ahead and download it and jump into your editing software. Drop the video you took and the animation into your project, crop it so the last frame and the first frame line up, and I had to play around a little bit with the brightness to make the transition really smooth. And just like that, boom, instant viral potential. Alright, but a cool video is just the first step. Now let's talk about getting some real traction. Alright guys, I'll let you in. Here's the secret sauce. It's called Socelin.com. This platform lets you buy initial views and likes to help you kickstart your video. TikTok's algorithm actually favors videos with engagement, meaning that once you get that initial push, the platform can start recommending your video to even more people, turning that small boost into a viral explosion. So as you can see here, Socelin offers 1,000 free TikTok or Instagram views on the activation of your account. So let's go ahead and do that. So there's a few main options on the homepage here. We've got the main window where you can get those free views. We've got a blog, which is kind of neat, an API, which is kind of just for nerds, and the services feature. Also, we've got a table of services here. It shows that, you can get things for Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, etc. That kind of stuff is really good to get going with. The next option on this site is to either sign in or sign up, depending on if you've got an account already. And that's where you can take care of all your previous orders. You can see, whether they're still being activated, whether they've happened yet, or how far through the activation process they are. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at that TikTok channel to see if those free views have already come in. And have a look at this, guys. It's already at 3,098 views. Okay, so now that we have some views on our video, I'd like to simulate some attention to show TikTok that it's actually being engaged with and hopefully get TikTok to share it with even more people. To do that, let's hop back onto Socelin.com and we're gonna sign in. All right, now that we're in the members page, let's go ahead and buy those likes. So let's jump into TikTok, neat, okay, and let's get likes. And I think we're gonna go with 500 just to get us started here and post our link. Neat. Okay, that's it. Oh, wow, under $1? Geez, that's really affordable. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Another thing I found on the members page is that they actually have an affiliates program. And this is the kind of thing I like to see on this kind of website. To me, it means that they're sharing the love. They're opening up the door for you to maybe use their product to make a little extra cash. Anyway, let's go back to the channel to see those likes roll on in. Okay, and boom, like that. Just like that, 500 likes in the bank. And actually our views have gone up as well. So I'm starting to see some real traction here. But listen, real talk. No amount of paid likes is going to save a boring video. TikTok prioritizes watch time and real engagement. So you still need to make something interesting, funny, or unique, right? Think of Socelin.com as the booster rocket, but your content is the main engine. That's what's gonna take you to the top. Now here is where it gets really exciting. Imagine pulling in millions of views on a regular basis. That kind of reach opens up huge opportunities. Selling ad spots in your videos, landing brand deals with top companies, driving traffic to your own business or products. Some creators have turned viral videos into a full-time career. And you know what? You could too. Now, here's a little fun question for you. Do you think I'm AI generated or a real person? Comment below and I'll gift 1,000 likes to the most creative answer. If you want to supercharge your social media growth, check out Pika for viral-worthy videos and Socelin.com to get that initial boost you need. If you're interested in seeing more ways to be a boss in the social media world, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's take over TikTok together.